Welcome to our latest showcase of revolutionary transportation. Explore groundbreaking designs like the Reuleaux Triangle Bike, Amphicar 770, and more. Witness how these vehicles are shaping the future of mobility. Continental B Autonomous Car. The Continental B is an innovative autonomous vehicle concept from Continental Automotive. Its goal is to transform urban transportation, making it more efficient and environmentally friendly. The B in its name stands for balanced economy and ecology, emphasizing its commitment to sustainable transportation. This vehicle is designed for both passenger and goods transport, providing versatility in urban settings. The Continental B operates on a user-friendly network, allowing passengers to summon it with ease. It can reach a top speed of 60 km per hour and offers an impressive range of 350 km on a single charge. Powered by an electric engine, it ensures clean and efficient travel. The vehicle features a boxy, see-through design, creating a bright and comfortable interior with excellent visibility for passengers. As cities become more connected and sustainable, the Continental B aims to lead the way. Inspired by the efficiency and teamwork of worker bees, this vehicle represents a smart and eco-friendly solution for the future of urban mobility. Can-Am Pulse, the ultimate urban electric motorcycle. The Can-Am Pulse is an electric motorcycle built for thrill seekers and daily commuters. Priced at $13,999, it offers a perfect blend of performance and convenience. Powered by a 47 horsepower motor, the Pulse delivers impressive acceleration, going from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.8 seconds. It's fast, responsive, and fun to ride. In the city, the Pulse has a range of up to 100 miles. Charging from 20% to 80% takes just 50 minutes with a level 2 charger, ensuring you're back on the road with minimal downtime. The Can-Am Pulse comes with advanced features like active and passive regeneration, a reverse function for easy parking, and the exclusive LINQ system for quick, tool-free accessory swapping. Stay connected with Apple CarPlay and BRP Go, which allow you to access music, navigation, and vehicle data on the go. With its durable silent chain, multiple ride modes, and eco-conscious design, the Can-Am Pulse stands out as a modern choice for electric motorcycling. The Can-Am Pulse offers a thrilling, efficient, and connected ride. It's a perfect option for those looking for high performance, convenience, and sustainability in the urban electric motorcycle market. Reuleaux Triangle Bike by Phil Miller. Reinventing the wheel is no small feat, but Phil Miller managed to do just that with his unique Reuleaux Triangle Bike. This creative invention first gained attention at Burning Man in 2012, an event known for showcasing innovative and artistic designs. The bike, with its triangular wheels, surprised everyone as it moved smoothly across the area. But how does it work? The secret lies in the design of the wheels. Instead of having perfectly straight sides, the triangular wheels are based on the Reuleaux triangle shape. This geometric form allows for continuous, stable motion, even with its unconventional appearance. Interestingly, similar concepts have emerged elsewhere. An inventor from China created a bike with triangular and even pentagonal wheels, proving that innovation knows no boundaries. These extraordinary designs challenge traditional thinking, showing how geometry can transform something as simple as a bicycle into a fascinating work of art and engineering. Aston Martin Valkyrie. The Aston Martin Valkyrie is a hypercar that pushes the limits of performance and technology. Its 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12 engine, developed with Cosworth, delivers around 1,160 horsepower. This power enables the Valkyrie to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds. Designed with aerodynamics at its core, the Valkyrie features an open underfloor and a large front splitter. These elements create impressive downforce at high speeds, ensuring stability and control. Inside, the car is minimalistic yet highly functional. The digital display is integrated into the steering wheel, and the seats are custom-fitted to the driver's body through 3D scanning. With a price tag of approximately £2.5 million, the Aston Martin Valkyrie represents the pinnacle of automotive engineering. It offers an unmatched driving experience, combining cutting-edge performance with incredible design. Freightliner Supertruck 2. The Freightliner Supertruck 2 is a cutting-edge semi-truck that redefines what's possible in aerodynamics and fuel efficiency. This vehicle is an engineering masterpiece, designed to minimize drag and vortexes. Its sleek, wind-shaped design combines smooth curves with sharp lines for maximum efficiency. At its core, the Supertruck 2 has a powerful 13-liter engine. It's built to reduce down speeding and comes equipped with 2 turbochargers and interstage cooling. The truck also features a 13-speed overdrive gearbox, optimizing performance in various driving conditions. Its 48-volt electrical system powers all essential functions. This advanced system even allows the truck to coast downhill with the engine off, saving fuel during high-speed travel. On highways, the adaptive tandem axles can switch from 6x4 to 6x2 configuration, while the tag axle supports the trailer's weight through dynamic load shifting. For improved safety and visibility, the Supertruck 2 replaces traditional mirrors with a high-tech mirrorless camera system. This innovation gives drivers a clearer view of their surroundings. This groundbreaking vehicle was developed through collaboration between Daimler North America and the United States Department of Energy. The result is a truck that more than doubles the freight efficiency of its predecessor, bringing a revolution to the world of transportation. Evastream Move. Revolutionizing your pool experience. Introducing the Evastream Move, a groundbreaking wireless swimming machine that transforms any pool into a top-tier training facility. No major renovations needed. Just plug it in and start swimming. This compact device delivers powerful, stable, and energy-efficient performance. Whether you're a competitive swimmer or someone who enjoys the occasional swim, the Evastream Move can meet your needs. One of the best features is its adjustable current. This allows you to customize the flow, making it perfect for a range of activities. From intense swim workouts to leisurely laps or even aqua jogging, this device adapts to your fitness level and goals. The Evastream Move is designed to improve your swimming technique, boost physical fitness, and build endurance. It's ideal for athletes looking to train at home and for casual swimmers who want to enhance their swimming experience. But it's not just for swimmers. Its versatility also makes it perfect for family use. It's great for physical therapy routines or even just fun, relaxing swims. Now you can enjoy the benefits of a 25-meter swimming pool right in your own backyard with the Evastream Move. Whether you're training, rehabilitating, or just having fun, this device offers everything you need for a complete pool experience. Exod ARK. The Exod ARK is a revolutionary inflatable shelter that combines the best features of elevated tents, inflatable tents, and hammocks. Designed for outdoor enthusiasts, it promises a unique and comfortable camping experience. Its inflatable exoskeleton and waterproof, breathable fabric provide excellent protection from the elements. The versatile design allows for multiple setup options, whether on the ground or suspended above it. One standout feature is the clear roof, offering stunning panoramic views of the sky and surroundings. This enhances the immersive outdoor experience, making it perfect for stargazing or enjoying nature's beauty. The ARK is quick to set up and easy to store, making it a practical choice for adventurers. Its compact size ensures portability without compromising comfort. Starting at approximately $1,235, the Exod ARK is a premium camping solution for those seeking innovation and convenience in the great outdoors. A200 Aerobase. The A200 Aerobase is a cutting-edge airship developed by the Russian company Aerosmena. Designed for military use, this innovative airship combines advanced technology with unparalleled functionality. Capable of carrying up to 200 tons, the A200 serves as a mobile base for drones and UAVs. It can follow pre-programmed flight routes while launching drones for combat missions. After completing their tasks, the drones can return to the airship for reloading or repairs, streamlining operations in the field. This capability makes the A200 a game-changer in military logistics. Acting as a mobile aerobase, it offers enhanced flexibility and efficiency. It can operate in various scenarios, providing a strategic edge that traditional systems can't match. The A200 Aerobase represents a significant leap forward in military technology, showcasing the potential for innovation to transform modern defense strategies. Alta. Otis Aviation's Alta is a groundbreaking 9-seater hybrid electric aircraft designed to transform short-distance air travel. With a range of 1,200 kilometers and a top speed of 320 kilometers per hour, the Alta is set to revolutionize regional air transport. Its hybrid electric propulsion system combines electric motors with a traditional jet engine, delivering both efficiency and extended range. One of its standout features is vertical takeoff and landing capability, eliminating the need for long runways. This makes the Alta perfect for urban environments and remote locations where space is limited. The Alta is expected to enter service by 2028, offering a new level of convenience and efficiency in air travel. It represents a significant step forward in sustainable and innovative aviation solutions. Amphicar 770. The Amphicar 770, produced between 1961 and 1968, is a one-of-a-kind amphibious vehicle that blends the features of both a car and a boat. Designed by Hans Trippel and manufactured by the Quant Group, around 3,878 units were made. Powered by a 1,147cc inline four-cylinder engine, the Amphicar 770 offers modest performance. On land, it reaches a top speed of 75 miles per hour, and on water, it can go up to 8 to 9 knots. With its 4-speed manual transmission and twin propellers, the Amphicar 770 transitions smoothly from land to water. While its performance may not match that of specialized vehicles, its unique design and dual functionality have earned it a special place in automotive history. Today, the Amphicar 770 is a sought-after collector's item, celebrated for its novelty, charm, and the rare ability to drive on both land and water. Galaxy Ring. The Galaxy Ring is a discreet, minimalist wearable designed for fitness enthusiasts who want to track their health without the bulk of traditional devices. This sleek ring integrates advanced health monitoring features into a comfortable, stylish design. Equipped with cutting-edge sensors, the Galaxy Ring tracks key health metrics such as heart rate, sleep patterns, and skin temperature. These features provide valuable insights into your overall well-being. Its compact, lightweight design ensures comfort all day long, making it perfect for both workouts and everyday activities. With up to 7 days of battery life on a single charge, you can wear the Galaxy Ring day and night without worrying about recharging. The Galaxy Ring offers a convenient and efficient way to monitor your health while maintaining a stylish, low-profile look. E-Jetski Flyway, the future of water fun. Meet the E-Jetski Flyway, the coolest new way to enjoy water sports. This electric jet ski is changing everything with its blend of flying and stand-up riding. Imagine zooming across the water, soaring above the waves with zero emissions thanks to its eco-friendly design. Its advanced hydrofoil technology makes you feel like you're gliding effortlessly, giving you an amazing sense of freedom and excitement. With the E-Jetski Flyway, you get the rush of flying, the thrill of the ride, and the wind in your hair, all while being kind to the environment. Plus, it's super compact and lightweight, so it's easy to transport and store. Perfect for all your adventures, it's the ultimate way to have fun on the water. Wokart, the ultimate water adventure. Imagine sitting in a water go-kart, but with the speed and thrill of a jet ski. That's what the Wokart offers, a unique watercraft that merges the excitement of both. The Wokart is an innovative, asymmetrical design that combines power and precision. Its mid-mounted outboard motor allows it to accelerate like a rocket and perform sharp 90-degree turns with ease. This sleek machine was created by Dr. Albert Nazarov, an economist who challenged traditional maritime design and patented the Wokart's cutting-edge concept. Controlling the Wokart is simple and intuitive, thanks to its automotive-style seating and dashboard. It's also more environmentally friendly than a jet ski, quieter and using less fuel. And here's the best part. The Wokart is available at an affordable price of just $9,800. Production is already underway, so order yours now and get ready for the ultimate water adventure. Regent Seaglider. Transforming coastal and island transportation. Introducing the Regent Seaglider, a groundbreaking electric vehicle designed to revolutionize transportation for coastal and island communities. This innovative craft operates as a hybrid between a boat, a hydrofoil, and an aircraft. The Seaglider utilizes wing and ground effect technology to glide just above the water's surface. This unique design allows it to reach speeds of up to 180 miles per hour, making travel fast, efficient, and environmentally friendly. It can cover distances of up to 180 miles on a single charge. After successfully testing a quarter-scale prototype, Regent is preparing for full-size human trials in 2024. The Seaglider's versatile design means it can operate in 3 modes: floating, foiling, and flying. This capability offers smooth transitions between each mode, enhancing the travel experience. Commercial services are expected to begin by 2025, marking the start of a new era in high-speed, low-emission travel. The Regent Seaglider promises to particularly benefit coastal cities and island communities, making transportation more accessible and sustainable. Experience the future of travel with the Regent Seaglider.